Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time. I didn't got time to create like new videos. So today I have time. So I was thinking we can create one video tutorial for you. So today we will going to create a pajama kind of pant. Okay, dhoti pajama kind of pant we will going to create. I have a like idea. Okay, so this kind of like outfit we will going to create. Okay, so let's get start this video. This outfit will be only for the men. We will going to create this for the men, not only for the men. Okay, so let's get start. So waist, we only need the waist measurement because this will be a like loose outfit, loose bottom wear. Okay, so we only need the waist measurement. So our waist measurement is 32, and we are not going to add any elastic on this like this this pajama. Okay, you can add elastic if you want, but the outfit I'm going to get, I'm not going to add any elastic. I'm just going to add a waistband in this pajama pant. Okay, so let's get start. So the measurement we will going to use is only for the waist because this pant is going to be a loose outfit. So our waist measurement is 32 inches. So the 32 is 8 inches by 2 inches waistband. Okay. So this is the waistband. Okay. Now what we will going to create? We will create a block of 40 inches by 40 inches. Okay. You can like create more big if you want to like add uh, more room in the pant. So you can add as well like your style changes. Okay, now what we need to do, we just going to divide this block from the diagonally okay. And why we have divided this diagonally, because there is no side seam in this pant. Okay, this pant pajama, there is no side seam, so this part is going to be our front and this part is going to our back. Okay, back waist and front waist. Now we need to add like crotch. So crotch is on 11 inches down and 3 inches out. Just create the curve for the crotch area, and we directly copy like this part in the back also. Okay, and we will join both from here. Now what we need to do, we need to, because this area is like pointy, we need to reduce this point. For that we will just use the arc corner tool, select both line and just add a curve. Curve will be 12 inches, will be fine I think. And I just divided both and we will join line. So we have 37 in front and 37 in back. Okay, now what we need to do, we, because this whole part will be going to attach on the waistband. Okay, so this 37.67 inches will be attached on the 8 inches 1/4 waistband. And for that what we need to do, we need to add some pleats. There are two types of like method you can like create this pajama. You can directly sew this part on the waistband, or you can also add pleats, so it create more uh, attractive look. So we will going to add pleats on this pajama. So the total waistband is 37.67. So let's open our calculator. Okay, so 37.67 minus 8 So 29.67. Okay, so how much pleats we can create? 5. And the width of the pleat is 5.93. 5.93 pleat width. Okay, so let's get started. So in the crotch area, I will start from 1 inch gap I had like um, left from the starting of the pleat. Now pleat width is 5.93. Then again 1 inch, 5.93. Then again 1 inch, 5.93. Then again 1 inch, 5.93. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and this going to be 4, and this will be the 5, like our 5, 5.93. Okay, this will going to be fold here. So how much we have right now? Let me this so we can calculate. So this is the 3.9. We can check how much we have for the pleat. Wait, we forgot to add 1 inch. Okay. Here we need at least 3 inches. So in the side area there is no pleat, so we can add 3 inches here, and in the remaining part we can add the pleats. Okay, so how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 3, 8. So total we have 8 inches for the stitching part, and this part will go into our pleats. Okay, same process we will going to follow for the back. Okay, so let's directly move this. Let me mark the pleat length. If you are like confused, let me properly mark so you can understand which part is for the pleat and which part is for the waistband we are going to use. Okay, let's mark pleat. So this is the pleat. Then we have this. Then we have this. So these are the pleats. Okay. Now I think clear for you. This this one is also the pleat. Okay. Okay. So these are the pleats. This is the front crotch. This is the back crotch. This is the inseam. And for the inseam, we also like how much we have, like 29. Okay. So for the inseam, we will also going to create a shape. 7 inches will be good, I think. Okay. This is the opening of the leg, and these are the inseam. Okay. So let's move all the pleats in the back also. So I hope everything is clear. Let me remove the extra lines which are not useful. Okay. So this is the pattern. Let me make it straight. Okay, so this is the pattern uh, for the pajama pant. Okay, in our next video, I will show you how this will be stitched on the 3D software, so you can understand how it will look after stitching. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and you can also follow us on our Instagram, uh, where we are uploading most of our 3D projects, 3D work. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.